Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export a board out of Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting a board out of Monday.com allows you to save your data externally for further analysis, sharing, or backup. Now, I believe that it is helpful in a variety of reasons because while Monday.com provides useful reporting and analysis tools, I believe that it has limitations. There are several platforms that you can use to perform complex or customized data analysis in programs like, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any specialized data analytics software. All right. Now, for example, just choose the board that you want to export. In this case, I'm going to be using this one. The second one, how to export out of Monday.com. There's going to be three buttons here at the upper right corner, the ellipsis. Click on options and there's going to be settings that says more actions. You have the option to export board to Excel. Okay, now if you export this board to Excel, what will happen is, you see, you can of course have the option to export including updates, send a copy to your email, and a lot more. When you click on export, you would see a status progress down here. As you can see, the file is ready. Now, you can convert the Excel to PDF. Now, this is the file from Monday.com. If you want to, or if you prefer a PDF version, all you're gonna do is just go to download and create a PDF, a web page, a comma separated values or CSV, an open document, and a tab separated values. All right, so those are your options on exporting a board out of Monday.com. Now, if you wanted to have more control over the exporting your board out of Monday.com, I suggest you go to the integrate option here. So these are your templates. These are the integrations that you can use. For example, you can use maybe Outlook or Slack. Or you can also go to the board start automation or even use connections. All right, you can manage your apps here. This is going to be the automation center. So these are the apps that you can work with to export a board out of Monday.com. Now, the third and last option that we're going to show you is using Zapier. Now, you can connect Google Sheets to Monday.com and automate your work by clicking on this orange button. When you connect these apps, you can have all these endless possibilities. All you're going to do, click this orange button. All right. Go to that, rename that. And of course, for example, in Google Sheets, all you're going to do is select an event. For example, it triggers when a new row is added or modified. In a spreadsheet, works best with team drives. But of course, you can go to the simplest, which is triggered when you create a new spreadsheet. Click that. And go to Monday.com, and that you can choose an event. For example, it change multiple columns of values of an item if the trigger happened. All right, click on it, and all I'm gonna do is just click on continue, and you need to authenticate these apps so you can sit back and relax because Zapier will do all the work for you. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.